Welcome back. Avocados stuffed with shrimp. Shrimp perfectly cooked. This is perfect for a keto diet if you're into that stuff. However, I prepare because it's a delicious meal. Go nowhere. Let's create. And here are the ingredients. I have some mini sweet peppers, or could be any type of sweet peppers, chopped. About 6 or 7 teeth of garlic, minced. I have onions, about quarter of an onion, chopped. I have cilantro. I have a tomato, which I'm going to use for my tomato sauce. Ground pepper, sea salt, the shrimp, about 8 or so, and the avocado. And I'm also going to use some extra virgin olive oil. And I also have some paprika. So the first thing I'm going to do in a hot, small pot, I'm going to boil the shrimp. And I'm going to do that for maybe 5-6 minutes. High heat. So literally what you're going to do, you're going to drain the shrimp, and then you're going to cool them down a little bit by running some cold water. And you do that because you're going to be peeling them. You don't want to get burned. That's the only reason. Small pan, very hot heat. Let's start with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Just a little bit. And let's go with the onions. And I'm going to stir them a little bit so they don't get burnt. A little bit, high heat. Sweet pepper. Stir for a little bit. Some of the cilantro, not a whole lot, just a little bit. Because I'm not cooking a lot and I'm not going to be cooking for a long time, just a little bit. Stir for a little bit. Garlic. You don't want the garlic to burn, so you stir and stir. Continue stirring. Then you add the shrimp. Move it around. Add some salt. I'm using sea salt. Some ground pepper. Going to be a little generous. Stir, stir. Add the tomato sauce. I don't like to use canned tomato sauce. I like to grate my own. Going to lower the heat to medium. Some paprika. Not a lot, just a little bit. It has the stuff on it, so it looks like putting a lot, but I'm not. And you start stir and cook it. And it's not going to take long. You do this for maybe 4 minutes. So it has been about 3 minutes. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my signature touch. I'm going to put some cilantro at the end again and cook it for another minute. This is just to add the earth flavor to it. You're done. Now it's time to cut the avocado in half. It's pretty simple, no technique. Using a paring knife, just cut it around. I like to turn the avocado around. Then you open it. There you have it. Ain't that beautiful? And if you want to, you can put a little bit of feta cheese. Give it that Mediterranean flavor.